Hey y'all, got a special one for you today. Got my man David Campo. You know me, Real Deal Neil, right here at Willies at Akins. We've got two beautiful 2021 trucks behind us. If you care at all about F150 trucks, which I know if you're watching this channel, you definitely do. We got a lot of F150 followers. Campo knocked out two Coverts today with two different tire sizes. He's gonna dissect both of them for you. So stay tuned, let's go.
All right, guys, like you heard Neil say, David, I'm gonna go through with what we did here. First off, this truck, we're gonna start off 2021 carbonized gray F150 Lariat. So what we're gonna go through today is we'll show you what we did. Let's start off. What we started with, fit it with a Ready Lift 2-inch leveling kit, and then wrapped it up with these 295 60/20 Ridge Grappler Nittos. This size brings it out to be a 33.9 with 11.7 width. The nice thing that we love about running these leveling kits is you can have that lift, put that tire in there, but maintain that factory ride quality. Rides like a pillow down the road, and hey, we all like that, right? Next, what we're gonna go on, decided on the interior, it's not just enough leather seats in there, threw in a set of WeatherTech floor mats. Gonna keep that floor nice and clean, keep that rugged durability. The new 2021 F150s have that huge display up there on the dash. Gotta love that. All right, we're gonna move on to the back. We decided over here in the back, went ahead and throw in the signature Akins spray-in bed liner. Keep that rugged durability up, you know, because the 2021s, it's meant to work. You can see it here, it's lined out with your instrument ruling. Throw your wood, throw your lumber up there, make your cuts, and don't worry about messing your bed up. Another thing that we really love about this Nitto Ridge Grappler is it's just a hybrid tire. You know, you get that great look, that nice off-road appearance, but you can roll down the highway from job to job. You can do that 65, that 80 miles per hour if they allow you, and it still rides nice and smooth and quiet. So that's another reason why we love this tire so much. You see us use it all the time, but if it works, it works. You keep rolling with it. All right, so now you guys seen the carbonized gray. Let's move on over here. Got lit yin yang. We got 2021 Star White. Now on this package here, kind of went up just a tiny bit upscale on this one. This is a 295 65/20 Toyo MT true mud terrain tire. Now this comes out to be about 35.4 on your height and 11.8 on your width. So not a big difference in width, but a substantial amount on the height. Once again, we used Ready Lift leveling kit setup on here. You could accommodate both tires. That's why, why we love the versatility of this leveling kit. This requires a small amount of trimming, but you want to go big, you got to do a little bit of cutting. All right, so let's move on to the interior now. The Star White, this has a beautiful tan and black leather interior that complements the white very, very well. Once again, threw in the WeatherTech floor mats. Got to have that rugged durability as well as that good aesthetic look to it. Now what we'll do, we'll move on to the back. Like I said, we stepped it up a little bit more on this one. This one has the Ultraflex bed cover onto it to once again pairing with the Akins bed liner. Keep the UV rays off of it. Like I said, stepped it up a little bit more with this one. All right, guys, so like Neil said earlier, I got to knock out both of these beautiful trucks today. It was definitely a unique experience of getting to do two trucks in one day and kind of see and work out the differences between them, you know. I've got my favorite. I want to know in the comments below which one you like better. Do you like Star White, carbonized gray? Comment, drop a like down below, drop subscribe. Hey, if you guys haven't seen us before, we're putting out videos all the time of these new trucks. Come here, come see us. Akins, Wild Willies, Winder, Georgia. Let me know which one of these trucks was your favorite. Like I said, I got mine, but I'm not gonna let you know just yet. Maybe I'll comment and let you know below. So drop it and catch you guys next time.